Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Redmi 4 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card. You have to use SIM ejector pin for ejecting the SIM slot. Just push down. The SIM slot will be coming out. Take it out. Keep your phone aside, and in the SIM slots you can put two SIM cards and one SD card. You can put one micro SIM card and one nano SIM card. This is nano SIM, so you cannot put here. So you should put it in the another slot here. Yes, nano SIM is put. Now you can put another SIM, micro SIM. This is big SIM. Just put it here, and if you put two SIMs you cannot put micro SD card. Now insert the SIM slots in the phone. Just push down into the slot. Yes, two SIM cards are enabled. Just check it out. Yes, you are seeing signals for two SIM cards. Now you can see the demo for inserting micro SD card. Just take out the SIM slots. If you put micro SD card, you can use only one SIM, that two micro SIM. This is micro SIM, and in the next slot you can put micro SD card. Just put micro SD card in this position and insert the SIM slots into the hole. See the demo. Check whether it is working. Yes, SD card notification is there. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.